Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create a stream from the characters of a string. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin this video. So guys, in this video we will see how can we create a stream from the characters of a string. So in order to create a stream of characters, let's first create a string. So let's call string. The name of this string is sentence. Okay, give it a string, and the string is nothing but hello world. Okay, now we have a string with us. We want to convert this string into a stream of character. Now how can we do it? We can do it using the character method of a string class. Okay, so let's call character. Now if you look at this character method, you will see that this character method returns integer stream. And you know from the previous video that integer stream returns a stream of primitive types of integer. Okay, so this character method is going to return a stream of primitive types. Now what is that primitive types? So primitive type is an integer. That integer represents the ASCII value of a specific character. For example, the ASCII value of H is something else, an ASCII value of E is something, and ASCII value of L is something. Okay, so now how to collect this integer into a list? So in order to collect this integer into a list, first we want to convert these primitive types into non-primitive types. And how can we do it? Using map to object method. So let's call map to object. Okay, and this map to object is going to get an integer. Okay, so let's give it code points. Okay, so code point is nothing but a ASCII value of each character. Okay, and then convert this code point into character. So let's convert this code point to character. So how can we do it? We have to typecast. So let's convert this code point to character and we are good to go. Okay, so far we have converted this string into a stream of integers, and that stream of integers has integers, and that integer represents the ASCII value of each character. And then we are mapping all the integers to character. Okay, now we can easily collect these characters into a collection. So let's call collect and collectors.toList. Okay, so now we have collected all the characters into a collection. So let's store this collection into a list of character and give it a name li. Okay, so far so clear. Now let's print this list on the screen. Give it li. Let's run the program, and you will see that all the characters of the string is printed on the screen. Okay, so this is how we can create a stream from the characters of the string. Okay, now here the collection is collecting all the characters. What if we want to convert this character into a string? So to convert this character into a string, again we have to call a map method. Okay, so let's call map method, and let's call object :toString. So this object.toString method is going to take this character and converts it into a string. So in order to store the list of a string into a variable, first we have to change the list of character to list of string. Okay, and we are good to go. Now if you run the program, you will see that all the characters that is a string is printed on the screen. Okay, so far so clear. Now if you look at this code, that this code is a little bit lengthy. First we are converting code point to character, then we are converting this character to a string. So can we make it a little bit short? Absolutely yes. So how can we do it? Let's use the character class here. Okay, so we have the character class, and this character class has one method, and that method is toString. So what is the role of this toString method? So this toString method takes a character, that is the ASCII value of character, and converts that value into a string representing that character. Okay, as you can see here, it is returning a stream of string. So if you run the program, you will see that still you are getting the same result. So we are getting all the character one by one, and it is nothing but it's a list of all the characters. Okay, so guys, by now I hope that you understood that how to create a stream from the characters of a string using character method of string class. Okay, alright guys, this is all from my side for this video. If you learned something valuable from this video, then please hit the like button in order to make YouTube algorithm happy. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so my friend you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.